Hello students, today we will discuss about motion. Now, there is motion all around us. We have seen so many objects moving around us like people, vehicles, animals, birds, etc. But what is motion? The movement of the body is called motion. Whenever a body changes its position with time, then we say that the body is in motion with respect to its surroundings. Now, types of motion. You have observed a car moving on a straight road, people walking on a straight path, or soldiers moving in a straight line during a march past. So, what is so common in all these examples? In all these examples, the objects are moving in a straight line. The motion of an object in a straight line is called rectilinear motion. In rectilinear motion, the object always travels along a straight path. For example, light. Light also moves in rectilinear motion as we know that light travels in a straight line. Have you seen children playing in a park? When they throw the ball, you can see the path of the ball, how the ball is moving. So the ball is moving in a curved path. So this curved path, the football travels along a curve. So this curved path is called curvilinear motion. In this, the object is moving along the curved path. So it is undergoing curvilinear motion. What other activities involve curvilinear motion? Yes, a bowler bowling to a batsman throws the ball and the ball travels here in a curved path. So this is also curvilinear motion. When the batsman hit a six, the ball again is traveling in a curved path. So that is also curvilinear motion. Let us take another example. Suppose so many students are starting a race and three of them reach the finish line in the same time. They complete the race in the same time. So we can say they have also covered the same distance in the same time. So when any body or any object travels same distance in same time, this type of motion is called translatory motion. Have you seen the wheels of a cycle or a car moving? Yes, they move in a circular manner. But this type of movement is called rotational motion because the wheels of the car and cycle are moving along a circle on a fixed point. Merry-go-round is another example of rotational motion. Spinning top is also an example of rotational motion because they both are spinning on a fixed axis. Have you ever observed children playing in a park? What is the movement of swings here? The swings undergo to and fro motion. Now, to and fro motion means the object is repeating its motion by retracing its path in regular interval of time. So this kind of motion is called oscillatory motion, in which the object repeats over the same path. It retraces the path again and again in same interval of time. Periodic motion. In periodic motion, a body repeats its motion by after regular or constant intervals of time. Let us take an example of a clock. The hands of a clock moves along the same path in the same interval of time. Same type of motion is followed by Earth while it is revolving around the Sun. So it also completes one revolution in the same given amount of time. This type of motion is called periodic motion. You have seen the pendulum of a clock. So the motion of pendulum, motion of a child's swing, strings of a guitar are all examples of periodic motion. Here, the object repeats its motion after a fixed interval of time. Let us observe a ball. If you kick a ball, it will have a combination of motion. The ball will move along a straight line as well as it will undergo circular motion. So, the rolling ball will have both motions, circular as well as rectilinear motion.